Right, here we have another popular product, flamed granite. It's got a very textured surface to it, and a common problem is having cement or grout staining when doing the jointing. To remove this, we use a product called Grout Stain Remover, instant acting, so we simply pour it on after we've diluted it, but for this purpose again, it's neat. As you can see, it fizzes straight away to show it's reacting with the grout. Give it a good scrub. To loosen it off, working it into all the fissures and indentations in the stone. You probably need a brush just to work it in a little bit further. A little bit more. Work it in really well, making sure you get into all those little crevices. A bit more. Again, you can see it fizzing. And there we go. So sometimes a couple of days is required, and then again extract it using the sponge, turning it regularly. And there we go, one clean piece of granite, no cement.